Pleasure to welcome you to FABTECH, where the future of manufacturing comes to life through innovation, collaboration, and bold thinking.
And every year it just gets better and better. There's so much innovation here, there's so much networking happening. Everyone coming in, bringing the industry together.
FABTECH is enormous. I feel like you can't describe it to a friend or colleague. They have to experience it for themselves.
There's really no other show that you could attend where you could see everyone in person.
Seeing all the welding equipment, seeing all the fabrication equipment, seeing all the machines move has been just a very eye-opening experience.
Come and check us out in 2026 at Las Vegas.